Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is a very, very special day. A god was born, and that is me. I'm just joking, but Alexa, I know you're not in the room, but Alexa, play 2 Chainz's birthday song.
Birthday, it's your birthday.
So today I thought I'd share with you my special birthday makeup. I don't really go over the top of my birthday makeup. I keep it quite simple, but like, you know, a bit dewy and a bit cute. I'm going to be using a few new products for you so you guys can see how they work. I'm so excited to do this video for you guys and I hope you enjoy it. So definitely keep watching if you want to see me get snatched. So guys, my skin is already freshly moisturized. I use the Sisley Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream with the Nars Put and Shine Control Primer to help with my shiny damn nose. And I also used the Tatcha Silk Canvas, which is super damn cute. So I'm just gonna color correct any areas around my mouth because guys, I swear to God, like, color correcting is just the way forward. I'm not being really careful with this. I'm literally putting it anywhere. I feel like to get a flawless base, you have to just use the basics. I'm gonna take the Swirl Beauty Blender, which is quite new. I don't think it's released until March, so I'm just gonna blend it all out. Like so, like guys, if you don't color correct, you need to get on it. I can't believe I'm 29 now. Like, I feel so old. By now I thought I'd been married to a rapper. I thought I would have 2 kids down the line. I thought, you know, I would have been like balling, obviously like shot calling, but I don't know. I just felt like I'd be so much like more in my life, but obviously I'm happy where I am, you know what I mean? It's cute, it's a moment. So okay, I'm going to take the Beauty Blender foundation. This is actually a new one in the shade 455. So I actually got this today, which is really weird. But I'm actually going to mix it in with the bit of the Huda Beauty Faux filter just because I'm not sure the colours yet. Obviously, I do want to mix. I'm going to use my It Cosmetics brush. Obviously, I've tried the Beauty Blender foundation before, but the colours were just not on par for me. But obviously, I'm so glad I've added 8 new brand new shades, which released January the 1st. So I'm literally just going to blend this in. I'm literally just going to tap it like this. So I normally like to do with foundation. Oh my god, my friend Nina taught me this. I'm not sure why. I knew about it before, but she really taught me how to do it. I'm just pressing this into the skin because I feel like if you want like a really full coverage and if you have a few like dark pigmentation marks, pressing it in is a bit like, you know, when you press concealer with your fingers, it's literally just going to push the product in your skin because when you swipe like this, you're literally just moving the product about. It's not going to be cute, but I'm actually loving the color of this. Like, I'm not sure about 4.55 by itself because I haven't used it, but I'm definitely loving mixing foundations just because I don't feel like one foundation can obviously like suit me, but whatever. And for my birthday, I'm literally going to, well, it will be today, I'm literally going to a spa with my friends, which I'm so excited about. We're going to a Champney spa, so sweet. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you'll probably see it on my stories tomorrow, well, today. And yeah, it's just gonna be a chilled one. We're gonna have some treatments. I'm super excited because I don't really like to celebrate my birthday because as I've gotten older, I just feel like it's just not that cute, you know? I'm so old, guys, but I'm in my heart, I'm young, but in my skin, I feel like I need to start taking care of myself. I need to go to the gym more. I need to be juicing. I need to be eating garlic. I need to just have the youth of life in me because, bitch, I'm 30 next year. I need to be getting some work done. Thank God I don't have to use Botox because, you know... But yeah, it's just gonna be a chill birthday. I'm not gonna do too much for my 30th next year, my dirty 30. Just believe it's just gonna be the damn most. So I'm basically just going in with the Nars concealer. This is in the shade Cafe. This is like one of my favorite shades. I think when I reflect on this year, I have to just think about like how much brands I've like gone on trips with, like Nars. Like Nars is literally one of my favorite brands. Like I love like so much products from them. They literally sent me a backup of this today because this concealer is my holy grail. I haven't tried Sheer Glow by them, but I literally got it today, and so I'm gonna try that. I really should have tried that today, but like I just thought for my birthday makeup I'd probably use something I haven't like I've already tried, you know what I mean? So I know I tried the Beauty Blender foundation, so I'm probably gonna do like a review on the Sheer Glow, even though there's probably so many reviews on it, but you know. But I'm just blessed because I got to go at Beef with Nars. They took me to the Fashion Awards this year. They're just such a cool company, and what I love, they're always adding more shade and they're super diverse, but I just love them so much as a brand, you know what I mean? But like, I just have to reflect on this year because even though I haven't done a lot of things that I thought I would, like I've just had so many blessings. Like for now, for like, to call this my job, it's actually like a madness. So I'm now taking the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. Recently, I've just been loving this concealer. It's super yellow, and I think it's amazing with deeper skin tones. It's a bright concealer, but it's not too bright. I've actually used much brighter concealers. I just love the way it blends out effortlessly. I'm using the same beauty blend as my foundation just because I find that it kind of like shears down the color, because sometimes it can be a much brighter yellow. I've quite gone in and out of Kat Von D. Like, everyone raves about her Lock-It foundation, but like, I'm in and out. Like, I love it sometimes, but it's very mattifying. Like, sis, like, I'm not trying to look like a stone. But I'm trying to think, like, I can't even, it's just my birthday. Like, I'm actually filming this video on my birthday. Like, it's just mad. I think it probably, like, I don't know. I always have like a kind of list what I want, like, gift wise, but I think as you get older, you just like, I'm more like grateful for like being like well, having my health, being like secure, having a family that love me, having amazing friends. As before, like when I was like maybe a few years younger, I'd probably want like money, clothes, a gift card, bills paid. But I'm just happy for my health. Like, I think as you get older, your priorities kind of change. But I don't know, like, when I was like 24, I could never imagine myself being 29. I always used to be like, oh my god, like, me being 29, that's never gonna happen. But when you actually say that, the years just go so fast. But to anyone that's younger, any of my younger followers, like, make sure you live life to the fullest, because even though I'm 29 now, I've actually like lived my life. I've done things I've always wanted to do. I've traveled, I've partied hard. I've done things that, like, even moving to London, obviously you guys know I'm originally from Birmingham, and moving from Birmingham was such a big step. A lot of my friends are still in Birmingham and still doing the same thing, even though that's not a bad thing. But I just feel like, get out your comfort zone, do something different. Like, life is short. Like, people are dropping down and keeling over. Like, if you want to do something, if you want to slap someone down, if you want to jump out of a plane, do that damn thing. So I'm literally going to use one of my favorite powders by Huda Beauty and Kunafa to basically just set my makeup. I'm not going to bake just because as it is colder, my under eyes are looking like a prune. So what I like to do, I like to just press it in just kind of cutely, just so you know, my concealer's set and stuff. And like, what I do love about this powder, I've used it for so many months now, is that it's the only kind of powder that gives me like I don't know, it gives me like a soft focus finish under my eyes. Like, it's perfect for birthdays just because I know it photographs well. Okay, so for contour, I'm gonna use the KKW Deep Dark Stick. I actually got this when I was in LA. I went to a pop-up and I thought I'd just get this. It's really cute. You do have to layer it. You know, it's just one of those contour products. What I like about it is that it's very creamy and easy to blend. Like, I just love it, and it's just such a like dark enough shade. But I'm not gonna lie, you don't get a lot of product in there. I think she added a bit, but in this one I think maybe I've just used it too much. But it is really, really nice, and it is really, really dark, which I love. Okay, so I like using these little mini beauty blenders just for my nose, just because they're so cute. And I think they're just better just because they really just get in like the crepes and everything, and like, I just love them. Like, I don't really wet them because I feel like they get a bit too big for my nose. But what are you guys doing for Christmas? What's going on? I'm gonna go to Birmingham to spend it with my family because it's my first year, obviously, like self-employed, well, first few months. I can't wait to go home and spend it with my mom, my sister, and my little nephew, Lucas. Like, it's just gonna be a really nice time because it's the first time I don't have to rush back to like, obviously work on Boxing Day, because you guys know we're at Urban Decay in retail, and obviously when you work in retail, you obviously choose if you want to work Boxing Day or New Year's. And you know me, a bitch loves to go out and get crunk. So I obviously always chose working Boxing Day in retail. I'm not sure who, sorry my eye, it's my damn eye. I'm not sure who's coming out and oh my god, that's so annoying. Oh my god, something's in my eye. Sorry, I think it was like a hair or something. My eye is so sensitive, but I'm not sure who is coming out of their house on Boxing Day. Sis, there's the internet now. You can buy all the sales online. Selfridges, Cult Beauty, Net-a-Porter, all these places have online sales. The last place I would want to be is in a shopping centre full of mad people hunting down old season stuff. Guys, I love a sale, but I will do it from my house where I can get it delivered next day delivery. I'm sorry, sales just are not worth it. Why am I getting tumped down in stuff which is for like a new Saint Laurent or old season top? I can't do it. I can't kill myself, sis. So I'm legit gonna go with my favorite powder, which is the KKW deep kind of like contour color. You know, Kim did this in a quad, and I was just like, Kim, I'm not sure if I'm feeling it, but she did it in a single, so I bought it on Black Friday for 30% off. Super cute, you can't really go wrong. So I'm basically taking the Marc Jacobs Finish Line Coconut Powder. I'm just gonna set on my face a bit. It's invisible. It's a new powder view, so apparently it's really, ooh, okay, that is invisible. Okay, Marc Jacobs. I know my nose contour looks a bit strong. I'm gonna show you something that I used, obviously like blend it out, but I'm just setting on my face because sometimes, do you ever forget to set your face, guys? Because I do it a lot, even though I use like setting sprays and stuff after, but I find that using powders, maybe invisible, maybe coloured. I love the Laura Mercier one. Obviously, if you're going to go out for a birthday, definitely set it using a powder because I used to forget that step in it. Just to make sure makeup just lasts a tiny bit longer. So for my nose contour, I'm going to take this KKW brightening powder and just go on the side of my nose. Like, I love it so much, but you definitely have to be careful because you can end up looking a bit cray. Let's use a mini beauty blender. I'll literally just... Can you see how it kind of just like, you know, snatches my nose? But you obviously have to blend it out after because it does have a tiny bit of flashback, but on the nose it's fine because it makes your nose just look proper slim. Guys, if you haven't used the Urban Decay XL size, it's limited edition for Christmas, but I had to buy 2 of these when I left because the size is just so insane. It will last you for like 3 months because I'll always go for the normal size so quickly. I drenched my face in this because this actually works. The only setting spray I can use that actually has temperature control and it keeps your makeup lasting on fleek. But guys, I haven't got my fan with me. I left it in this restaurant. My friend had a brunch, so I don't have it. But if you can invest in one setting spray, invest in Urban Decay All Nighter. It's actually made by their sister, well, not a sister brand, but another brand called by Skindinavia, and they're known for their setting sprays. So guys, I'm going to use my favorite palette, which is the Heat palette. And I normally use the colors He Devil, Cayenne, and Fuego, but I'm going to use Cayenne just in the crease. I love this palette so much. It's just a really like easy palette, especially with deeper skin tones because it has the good transition colors. And normally for eyes, I kind of like warm kind of shades anyway because I don't really go too crazy on my eyes in case it's like an Instagram video or like something like you know, like I'm just doing like a moment. I only go really crazy for like Instagram videos. But you're gonna go in with Fuego, which is a deeper shade, and literally just go in just below that. I'm taking a Marc Jacobs crease brush as well. I'm just going back and forth. Honestly, this palette is just so nice. So guys, I did a lash review about this. I think I'm getting a cold because I sound very nasally. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Melted Matte Shadows, but I'm only going to use the Cherry Soda side because I love the kind of sheen it gives. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put some. So guys, let's put some on my lids like here. I'm just gonna buff that out. I'm not sure how it's gonna blend because I normally I use like the heat obviously to put the shadow on, so I'm just gonna blend this out. Hopefully this will look cute. Let's actually just press it in. Okay, so I did blend it out a tiny bit, I'm not gonna lie. It did start to crumble, but I'm obviously gonna add a liner over it because I'm not sure what it is. When I kept trying to pattern it and like obviously blend it, you have to layer it, so be careful of these melted shadows, but I think they're nicely over the whole matte formula. That's why I think they're meant for like dual like combinedness. Is that even a word? But it's still cute though. I'm obviously gonna put a line over it and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm basically gonna finish up. I added some liner, some lashes. The liner a bit wonky, but who cares? It's my birthday. It's cute. I added some lashes. Added the Miami Mink Lashes by Lily Lashes. I'm gonna add the iconic London drops. They are my favorite. I'm just gonna put some there. Oh my god, guys! I think I'm getting a cold. It's so annoying. There. And then I added my favorite iconic London drops. I'm literally just gonna like buff them out with a sponge. I love these drops so much. I love them just before highlight because they really intensify a highlight and make them super snatch. Highlight, I'm going to take a brand new highlight I've never used before. This is the Tatcha Denona Super Glow. I really like this because it really gives the effect of a really like kind of like clean glossy skin, because sometimes you don't want an overpowering highlight, but I've been really liking this recently. I'm just going to take a brush and literally just Go like that. So I'm almost done, guys. I'm going to take a brand new product. This is the Redew by Beauty Blender. I'm just going to shake it. I think it gives you more of like a dewy glow. It's a very fine mist. So let's see. Hold on. If this works. Oh, it really gives the skin a really nice shine. Actually love it. So cute. I'm going to finish up using the KKW 3 liner and the KKW 7 lipstick. I love this combo so much. So I'm just going to line my lips like that. So this lip is so gorgeous. I hope you guys have enjoyed this look. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. While you're here, if you want to watch a few more videos, get a snack, get some popcorn, and feel free to indulge in my skincare or my surgery videos or even my tutorials. Keep it cute. Remember to subscribe and comment down below. And I shall see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching this. Mwah.